Scipy.Miscellaneous module has no attribute Imread? I am trying to read an image with Scipy. However, it does not accept the Scipy.Miscellaneous.Imread part. What could be the cause of this?
You need to install Pillow, formerly Pill, from the docs on Scipy.Misc. Note that Pillow is not a dependency of Scipy, but the image manipulation functions indicated in the list below are not available without it. Imread. After installing Pillow, I was able to access Imread as follows.
Imread is deprecated in Scipy 1.0.0 and will be removed in 1.2.0. Use Imagio.Imread instead.
For Python 3, it is best to use Imread in matplotlib.pyplot.
Imread is depreciated after version 1.2.0. So to solve this issue I had to install version 1.1.0.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.